Hello 56H and welcome to George's Smoothie Show. I'm George. Today we're going to make a berry smoothie. First, you will need sugar. You can use white sugar or natural sugar. I prefer to use white sugar. Water. I suggest using filtered water. The water is to mix with the sugar to make a syrup. Next, let's make the sugar syrup. Add the water to the sugar. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. The sugar must be very strong. Let's clean it up. Now, let's get the rest of the ingredients. We will need apple juice. I prefer the clear apple juice instead of the cloudy. The apple juice helps add flavour. Also, we need some milk. The milk turns the smoothie into a creamy mixture. Next, we will need ice. This makes the smoothie crunchy. Therefore, it is a critical ingredient. Of course, we need berries. These help flavour the smoothie. I recommend frozen berries because they add to the icy cold. Finally, we have all our ingredients together. To summarise, we have berries, ice, milk, apple juice, and sugar water. Now, let's blend it all together. First, the sugar water. Now, the apple juice. Next, the milk. And then the ice cubes. And finally, the berries. Finally, we blend. Oh, that's right. There's no power. Luckily, I have a Jedi Master.
May the Force be with you.
Okay.
Thank you, Jedi Master. That's it for preparing the drink. Now we can enjoy it. Separate into 2 glasses. Hannah! Would you like some of my berry smoothie?
Oh no, thank you.
Well, it's all for me then.